Hello everyone and welcome back to my new YouTube channel. I am Sanjay Marathe. I hope you are fine a COVID-19 pandemic situation. Stay at home, stay safe. Today I am going to focus on most important topic, that is a language study section, which is very important and scoring topic. If you understand and practice it, you will get a maximum marks or 10 out of 10 marks.
Format framework of activity sheet. My English course book 10th. How to score 10 marks out of 10 in the language study section. English language written paper will be 80 marks. Difficulty wise distribution of 80 marks in the activity sheet will be easy question 40%, medium difficulty level 40%, challenging 20%, internal evaluation is 20 marks, 10 marks for oral exam and 10 marks for assignment. Language study section is divided into two parts, question number 1A and question number 1B. Part A has a simple and medium difficult level activities. This activity should be done within 12 to 13 minutes. In part B has challenging activities for 2 marks. It should be done within 3 minutes. Let us see question number 1. Do as directed. There are 6 activities in part A and you have to attempt any 4 activities out of the 6. It is for 8 marks. Each activity carries 2 marks. But I suggest you try to solve all the activities if you possible within a time period. Question number 1. Complete the following words by using correct letters for 2 marks. Any 4 words of around 5 letters or sometimes maybe 6 letters, each from the course book with one blank or missing letter will be given. You have to fill proper and meaningful word. Tips: read the whole textbook minimum 5 times throughout the year. It is useful for language study, comprehension and writing skill. Question number 2. Put the following words in alphabetical order for 2 marks. In this activity, 2 sets of words will be asked. First set of 4 words starting with different letter and you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. You should know alphabets and regular practice. Now look at the word corner, stammer, golden, beautiful. Every beginning letter is different. Now look at the answer. First word is beautiful, B. Second word is corner, word C. Third is golden, word G. Last word is stammer, word S. Now look at the second activity set of words starting with same letter. Sometimes it will be 2-3 words may be same. So that is quite difficult to arrange them in alphabetical order. When first word is same, then check the second word, which word comes earlier in alphabetical sequence. It takes little bit time. So look at the 4 words started with M. Then check second word O, A, I. So first letter is manage. You can do like that. Now move to the next slide. Activity 3. Punctuate the following sentences. It is for 2 marks. 2 sentences will be asked. The sentence could be asked, assertive, exclamatory, interrogative or imperative in the activity sheet. Use proper quotation marks, commas, apostrophe, capitalization, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. Now look at the sentence 1. What's your opinion the future of Indian boxing? Asked the interviewer. Answer: it is a WH type question. First letter should be right capital of any beginning sentence. It is interrogative sentence. Use double inverted commas before what. W should be right in capital. Use double inverted commas before what, then put question mark at the end of the word boxing. It's reported speech, so close with double quotation mark. Next, put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Look at the second sentence. She smiled, a beggar changed my life. It is a statement. Write the first letter S is capital for she. Put commas after the word smile. Put double inverted commas before A and A should be capital. Use full stop after the word life and again put double inverted commas. You can study yourself all types of sentences which I have given here. It will take too much time for explaining each and every sentence, otherwise video will be bigger size. In this slide, yes no type question for practice. You can read yourself. Now move to the fourth activity. Make 4 words minimum 3 letters each using the letter in the given word. International. You will be given bigger word in the activity sheet. Make 4 meaningful words. The word should be consist of minimum 3 letters. First you find the hidden words with sequence like inter, nation, national. Suppose it is not found in sequence, then you can take any letter from given word and interchange the place of word and make a meaningful new word from it. For example, not rat. This is not in sequence, but you can write it. Question number 5. Write the related words as shown in the example. It is for 2 marks. You will be asked to write 4 words as shown in the example. They can be verbs, adjectives, nouns related to the word given in the middle of the diagram. You must understand whether it is a noun or adjectives. Suppose there will be a noun in the middle. Write a related word adjectives of it. Suppose there will be a verb in the middle. Write a related words adverbs of it. Suppose there will be an adjective in the middle. Write a related words nouns. Look at the diagram. Water is the middle. It is a noun. Write adjectives like dirty, pure, clean and hot. Activity 6. Complete the following words chain of nouns. Add 4 words each beginning with last letter of the previous word. It is for 2 marks. It's Antakshari type. In this activity, verb or adjective will be given in the activity sheet. For example, road. Road is a noun and you have to write 4 words of nouns only. The last letter of word is D. The next word start with D, that is doll. The last letter of doll is L. The next word start with L, that is lemon. The last letter of lemon is N, that is nose. Section B. Do as directed for 2 marks. Students are required to attempt any one activity in section 1, A or B, and section 2, A or B. A. Make meaningful sentence by using the phrase for 1 mark. It is expected to frame a meaningful sentence by using the given phrase. You can watch my detailed videos about phrases. I have given a link in the description box. Let us see some important page number, phrases, its meaning and use. You can understand. Look at the section B. Add clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. It is for 1 mark. In this activity, it is expected to add suitable clause to expand the given sentence meaningfully. In your activity sheet, you will be given half sentence and you have to expand it. For example, this is the school. 3 dot. When you want to join the sentence, use proper connector. I used where as a connector, then write as this is the school where I learned up to 5th class. So connector is very important for join the sentence. Connectors are noun clause, that, also, what, why, adjective clause, who, which, that, where, when, whose, whom, why, adverb clause, when, where, since, as soon as, though, although. Question 2. Attempt any one. A. Add prefix or suffix to make new words. It is for 1 mark. 2 words will be given and ask you to add suffix or prefix. For example, happy, care. Answer, unhappy or happily. Second, care. Answer, careful, carefully, careless. Making suffix, add the following letter at end of the given word. For example, noun formation, suffix ion, tion, ment, ing, sion, ness, hood, ship, ance, or. Adjective formation al, fel, less, ous, yic, able, ent, en. Adverb formation ly. You have to add a suitable word. B. Make meaningful sentence by using any one of the following words. You have to use any one words which is given in activity A and make meaningful sentence. You have to attempt any one of the given words. Happy. Answer, I am very happy today. Second, care. Answer, I will take care of my friend. Thank you all. Like, share and subscribe the channel. See you next video. Bye bye.